Okay, so for here, if you want to find a fuel efficiency, right, you're going to try to find a rate that is the number of fuel used per 100 kilometers. Okay, so for the first example here, right, we know that 25 liters of fuel was used per 180 kilometers, right? So then how can I make this so that it becomes over 100 kilometers? Okay, so what I can do actually, right, this works for each of these questions, right? I get the kilometers driven, right? And I multiply top and bottom by the 1 over version of that. So 1 over 800. Okay. If I do that, the bottom becomes 1 kilometer, right? So then if I do this, I have to then multiply by 100. Okay. So then this 180 will cancel out with this 180, right? Then I'll be left with 1, and then 1 times 100 gives me the 100 kilometers. Okay. And you can do that for each and every one of these, and you'll get the following answer. So these are the values. Okay. So then the least number here would be here. Okay, so this uses the least fuel. Okay, and we have two answers, right? These are all approximations. We have two of them that are very close to each other that are also the most, right? They're the largest out of all of them, so these two cars use the most fuel.